Good morning, class. The chapter Traveling with Grandfathers Do, we have discussed the text. Already we have started the exercises, is it? And in our live classes also, we have done. Now today, exercise C up to 6 already we have discussed during our live classes and all. Now, after 6, let's start 7 number. What is there? 7 number you see from the book one sentence has given. What is that? Grandmother was sitting up on the berth. What might be the significance of this statement at this point in the story? Significance of the statement means while they have decided that they'll not take the python with them, grandmother also agreed with that. Even for the grandmother only, they didn't take the python. But when grandmother slept, that time grandfather and narrator come to know that python was already with them. So they just hide it up from grandmother. But after some time, when all of them are heard that about the clamor, means all the people of that compartment was shouting because of the fear of python, that time grandmother was shocked to get that python with them. And she thought that knowingly narrator and the grandfather took that python with them without her knowledge. So she shocked and got angry. These are the significance. She got shocked and angry. That are the significance of the statement. What kind of expression might she had on her face? She is very angry with that. She is very angry and she shouted a lot on them as they have taken the python with them. Okay, so number 6 is that, on 7 is that only. What does the speaker mean by Aunt Mabel was no Eve? Here, as I said, biblical allusion is there. You can say that Adam and Eve with that apple, as Eve was seduced by the python. So here Aunt Mabel also seduced by that python. She is having no chance to say that I am afraid with the python. She just went away. So this is only you have to mention here. Okay. How did grandfather and the narrator fool Aunt Mabel? She said that python is, see last part, you will see that python is just only a reptile once, and grandfather said that, see, he promptly picked up the python, took it into the garden and wrapped it over a branch of guava tree. And she said that it's just nothing at all. It's just nothing at all. Because how nicely grandfather was handling that python is no matter. As Aunt Mabel was afraid, that was different thing, but grandfather was very nicely handled about all these things. Clear? So this is only how did grandfather and the narrator fool Aunt Mabel. That is only. Why do you think grandmother said nothing after Aunt Mabel recovered? Because Aunt Mabel understood that the fear is always in the mind, as she is afraid the reptile, but whole way she just carried that fear with her. So it's all about that mind. It's all about that mind. So up to this only you read, prepared answer. Okay, and write it down after this number 7, 8 and 9. Okay, and mode 3 in our next class we'll discuss. Okay, till then, thank you class.